Hey everyone, it's 4 Best Picks. Today, we're counting down the most powerful air guns you can actually own in 2025. Forget what you know about BB guns. These are serious machines, from nostalgic classics to cutting-edge tech. My team and I spent weeks testing and ranking these based on performance, features, and value. As we go through, drop your favorite air gun in the comments. Let's get the debate going. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something here for you. Let's jump into the top 4 air guns of 2025. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have an absolute legend in the world of air guns. A name synonymous with childhood memories and the thrill of learning to shoot. It's the one, the only, the legendary Red Ryder BB Gun. This isn't just an air gun, it's a true icon of Americana and the ultimate starter air gun for generations of shooters. It's a piece of history you can hold in your hands. Its classic wood stock and satisfying lever action deliver a dose of pure nostalgia and good old-fashioned fun. It's a tactile experience that connects you to a simpler time. But the real magic? It boasts a massive 650-shot capacity. That's right. Just pour in the BBs and you can shoot for hours on end without needing to constantly reload. It's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to handle, and it's absolutely perfect for teaching essential gun safety principles and the fundamentals of marksmanship to young shooters. And the best part, all of this comes at a price that's less than what you'd spend on a movie ticket. The Red Ryder isn't about raw power or high velocity, it's about accessibility for everyone, rock-solid reliability that you can count on, and creating lasting memories with family and friends. It's truly the perfect first air gun, ideally suited for both families looking to share an experience and beginners eager to learn the ropes. And that's precisely why the Red Ryder BB Gun proudly earns our number 4 spot on this list. At number 3, the Crosman 760p Pumpmaster takes things up a notch. Its variable pump lets you control power. Low for indoor plinking, max for backyard range. It shoots both BBs and pellets, so you can practice rapid fire or focus on accuracy. Lightweight, durable, and with simple sights, it's built for learning and fun. No CO2 needed. The power comes from you. The Pumpmaster is a fantastic bridge from beginner to skilled shooter. It's affordable, versatile, and a true workhorse. That's why it's our number 3 pick. Securing the number 2 position on our list is a true gem for collectors and history buffs alike. We're talking about the UMAREX Legends M1A1 Blowback. This airgun isn't just a replica, it's a piece of history reimagined. This full-metal replica of the classic Tommy gun captures the essence of the original, offering a tangible connection to a bygone era. From its weight to its finish, it feels and looks remarkably authentic, blurring the lines between replica and the real deal. Powered by CO2, providing a consistent and reliable source of energy, it features realistic blowback action, simulating the recoil of the original firearm, and a generous 30-round magazine capacity for extended shooting sessions. The UMAREX Legends M1A1 allows you to switch effortlessly between semi-automatic and full-automatic firing modes, delivering an exhilarating shooting experience that will leave you grinning from ear to ear. It's not designed for hunting or pest control. It's pure, unadulterated, thrilling fun, and an absolute must-have for any airgun enthusiast or collector seeking a taste of history. The attention to detail in its construction is truly incredible, showcasing the dedication to replicating every nuance of the original M1A1. This makes it not only a blast to shoot, but also a standout display piece that will undoubtedly spark conversations. So, experience a taste of full auto fire safely and legally in the comfort of your backyard or at your local shooting range. With its blend of historical accuracy, thrilling performance, and undeniable cool factor, the UMAREX M1A1 easily claims our number 2 spot. When it comes to selecting the ultimate airgun for the discerning shooter in 2025, one model stands head and shoulders above the rest. It's the Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X Gen 3i, a true testament to innovation and performance in the world of air rifles. This powerhouse derives its exceptional performance from Gamo's cutting-edge IGT Mach 1 gas piston. This isn't your grandfather's spring-powered airgun. This technology ensures smoother, more consistent power delivery with each shot. The result is quieter operation, minimizing disturbance to your surroundings and significantly more powerful shots, giving you the edge you need. It fires .22 caliber pellets, a popular choice for their balance of power and accuracy. These pellets scream downrange at up to 1,300 feet per second, delivering impressive energy on impact. This makes it perfect for hunting small game, and with its flat shooting trajectory, it excels at long-range shooting, allowing you to reach out and touch your target with confidence. But the real innovation? What truly sets this airgun apart from the competition? It's the revolutionary 10-shot rotary magazine. Featuring inertia-fed technology, this system ensures smooth and reliable cycling. This allows for rapid follow-up shots, keeping you on target and in control. Simply break the barrel, and the next pellet is automatically chambered and ready to fire. There's no fumbling with individual pellets, just fast, fluid action that keeps you focused on the task at hand. It comes standard with a quality scope, perfectly matched to the airgun's capabilities. And the rugged, ergonomic stock provides a comfortable and secure grip, even in challenging conditions. The adjustable trigger lets you fine-tune your shot, customizing the trigger pull to your exact preferences. This ensures maximum accuracy, allowing you to consistently hit your mark. It's a complete, high-performance package, designed to deliver exceptional results right out of the box. This airgun is truly for serious shooters who demand the very best in performance and reliability. For raw power, groundbreaking innovation, and unmatched value, the Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X Gen 3i is our top pick, a clear winner in its class. This isn't just an airgun, this is the future of airguns, available today. That's our countdown of the top 4 airguns for 2025. Did your favorite make the list? Drop your picks and thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into the coolest gear. Remember, always practice safe shooting and follow all safety guidelines. Thanks for watching and being part of this awesome community. Stay curious, stay safe, and see you in the next video.